Good afternoon, everybody, classmates and tutor. My name is Leonardo David Sanchez, and this is an activity that pertains to the course academic writing. Now, I'm going to start with the step 1. My name is Leonardo David Sanchez, and I am 28 years old. This is my second semester here at UNAD. I'm doing a Bachelor of English as a second language. On the other hand, I studied classical music and graduated from Javeriana in 2014. Currently, I am working in a school and teaching clarinet at Fundación Universitaria Juan de Castellanos in Tunja. My Skype is Leonardo Sanchez. My phone number is 313-436-7815. My email is leodazana@gmail.com. My SEAT is Tunja. Expectations: to hear lifelong learning strategies and to drop on them with my English students so they can have a wonderful performance while taking an international exam. Secondly, I would like to write in a more proficient way when doing a task for the university, a thesis, or any kind of test. As a result, I could avoid with wordiness and thus have more coherence. In a nutshell, the simpler and shorter writing is, the better. Step 2. According to the course description, what could your personal goal be while completing this course and why? To be honest, I could arm myself with tools in order to have a huge impact when conveying my ideas in formal situations as follows: an international test or any academic work. It could be both for writing and for speaking. On the other hand, all these resources could give me an insight concerning how to read faster and how to find quickly the main idea, developing critical thinking accordingly. What strategies will you perform to improve your writing skills during the course? To do so, I will read carefully the content and methods that are in the course to put them into practice when writing. On top of that, I will watch and listen to many YouTube channels related to academic writing. I will study and practice again the 4 types of sentences in English, such as simple, compound, complex, and compound-complex. Those are very important in order to have variety as well as a more developed sentence because they blend together elements of the English grammar. Furthermore, I will take advantage of the Cambridge Dictionary to look up the unknown words. Its content is phenomenal as a person can know the level of a word and how to use it in the right context. According to the course contents, what are the 2 topics you like the most and why? Paragraph. First and foremost, writing a paragraph makes part of the foundations as opposed to what an essay is. It is a way to have an insight concerning how to employ some tools. For instance, a topic sentence, how many supporting reasons must be used to define an idea, also how to use some basic connectors of addition, contrast, cause, etc. Essays. As far as I'm concerned, when writing an essay, a person must learn not only how to create a good introduction, a topic sentence or controlling idea, supporting reasons, transitions, and conclusions, but also some pivotal aspects that come into play in a language such as linking words, punctuation, subordinated conjunctions, or the 4 kinds of sentences in English. Moreover, an essay is a way for people to display high level when it comes to writing. A person can use academic phrasal verbs, collocations, or technical verbs. This process leads to honed student skills. This is my work, so thanks for your attention and have a good day.